Hello friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to deposit ERC20 tokens in the excess.com broker. Click on Deposit Funds at the top. Select the desired account in this section. Additionally, choose the currency for the deposit, which we select in this section, and click on Continue. In this section, you enter the desired amount for the deposit, with a minimum deposit of $50, £50, and finally click on Continue. You will see the details of your deposit and click on Continue. In the next step, you register the desired currency, for which we selected USDT, ERC20, and finally click on Deposit. In this section, you scan the specified barcode with your wallet, and if you wish, you can add the desired address to your wallet for the deposit. And friends, to check the details of your transactions, you go to the Funds section and enter the Transaction History section, where you can see that the ERC20 deposit was successfully completed. Good luck!